Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a wig head stand for your heads. The wig head stand we are going to make is going to stabilize your wig head so when you style your wigs it doesn't tilt to the sides. First we are going to find the middle of our chosen wood. By measuring from corner to corner, mark the middle with an X. Then we are going to make our circle, which has a radius on 14 centimeters, or to be more specific, the circle is in total 28 centimeters. Then we are going to cut it out. To make sure that it is completely rounded, you can sand around the edge either by hand or with help from a machine, and you can follow the line from the pencil from when we made the circle. To give the front or upside face a more smooth touch, we are going to use a router with a radius 10 size. The bottom still needs touch sharp edges, so it still has a stabilizing effect. Then we go over to sand both sides with Sandpaper 120. And you just do that to all of your pieces. Then we can do a final sanding at the edges with Sandpaper 280. For the sticks you can use an old broom. I cut mine so they are 33 cm each. But since the holes in my wig heads were a little bit too small, we took a 30mm drill bit to make the hole bigger. Then you can check if it fits. Now we can drill a hole through the middle of our plate where we placed our eggs. At the bottom, we countersink a hole for the head of our screw, which is in my case a Torx screw size 4.5 x 60. And also drill a hole at the bottom of your stick. Now it's time to put all the pieces together, and for that we are going to use some white wood glue. First we are going to sand all the extra wood from when we drilled the hole away. Then put some white wood glue around the hole on the front face. Then drill the screw slightly through the hole. Put your stick on and drill the rest of the screw in. Then it's up to you whether you want to paint it or not, but since I just love wood in general, mine is gonna stay as it is. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to make your own wig head stand. I hope it was useful to you, and if you have any questions you are welcome to leave a comment down below. You are very much welcome to watch some of my other YouTube videos, and if you want to see some cosplay pictures, you can find links to my other social media in the description box. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully we will see each other next time.